If you are facing any gaming audio delay, then here's the solution for obvious.
So first of all, in OBS Studio we will talk about the video capture device, which I have Fine video capture, and this is my properties. So here is the main thing. This is where the all streamers problem starts. This option can add your game audio to the stream, and it is a good option, but do not select this option. Now the first thing is that why this audio delay happens. Main two reasons for audio delay is first music changing and second Discord connection problem. So if you don't wanna face these issues, then say no to this option. So for the solution we will add a new audio input capture. I have already an existing audio input capture, but you guys have to add a new audio input capture. In this new audio input capture, you guys have to add your audio device for the capture card. As you can see, my device is already connected. Now we will go to the soundbar and we can see our game audio is being added. So now we have two sources for our game. First is for video and second is for audio. So with these two sources, even if you change music or get connection issues in Discord, then still you will not get audio delay in your gaming audio. So congrats guys, you just now solved the issue of audio delay, and if you like my video, then leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel.